number 4, you're going to draw and determine the line of reflection. So the first one, it is a reflection. Let's draw it right here over the x-axis. So x-axis is the line of reflection. B, that looks like it is a vertical line, and it looks like it cuts through that middle right here. That value looks like this is 0, this is -1, -2, -3. So this is when x is equal to -3 would be that line of reflection right there. C, it comes straight down the middle at the y-axis, so we can say that is the y-axis is the line of reflection. And then number D, it looks like that is a vertical line. Nope, it's a diagonal line. Yep, and that looks like that is your y equals 2x. Okay, you could find the midpoint to double check here, but these would be the midpoints, and this would be the equation of that line, y equals 2x. So these would be all the line of reflections.